I'm gonna do the shortest off-road adventure I can possibly do. I'm not even 5 miles from my place of work, and you know, I do live in a place that allows me to do things like this. Oh, I took a wrong turn. Shoot. Whenever you're out adventure timing with me, you're gonna take a wrong turn. Let's turn around. Whoa. Almost hit something. That's fine. That's what the safety shit's for. To always bleep at you and make sure you're safe, I guess. Some shit. So I'm on the right road now. We get up here a little bit, up this nice little dirt road. We're going to probably have to use four-wheel drive, and I might actually have to use my locker, and I mean, sway bar disconnect, doesn't really matter, but I'll probably have to use my locker up here because of the washout that is present, which is definitely fine by me. Nice little, I'm gonna call it leisurely, but nothing I do is ever leisurely. As you guys, if you're returning, you know by my last video, which I'll have linked at the end of this video. There it is right there. There's the road. On our little adventure, we found a really, really fun road, and I'm just enjoying this. Whoa! Oops. Heck yeah. No, I'm excited about our short little adventure. This road is only like, oh God, I think it's only like maybe 300 feet long. I've never been up it. My old Jeep never made it up. I tried to take my Honda Civic up here. That was just dumb. This truck is just doing what it's meant to do and take me up here. And I think there's supposed to be another crossroad up here. If not, we'll just come right back down it. But I'm hoping that there's actually an outlet up here. Oop, that's some pinstriping. And the road disappeared into grass. Fun. Oh, do you guys see the deer up there? Can't see the rocks. All I see is grass. And there's the road. Oh, I hate those sensors. There she is. Got to go on an adventure, got to see some wildlife. I guess I should watch the road a little bit. We just got some long grass and maybe I missed the road. Nice. And then we're back on the main road. Yeah, a couple 100 feet of a nice off-road short send. That has to be the coolest little road. I hope you enjoyed the short adventure, a couple 100 feet of a road, and then that was it. World's shortest off-road adventure. I hope you enjoyed it.